Hello, welcome once again to Shabens online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to factorize an expression. So on the board here, we are given two expressions, number one and number two. Number one is 5x squared minus 5. Then number two is 6mx minus 4my minus 3bx plus 2by. And we're asked to factorize these two expressions completely. So let's get started. Solution. The first expression, we are given 5x to the power of 2 minus 5. So if you are given expression in this form and you're asked to factorize, what do? You look for the common term in between these two terms. And we notice that 5 is here and also 5 is here. Therefore, the common term is 5. Then we factor 5 out. Then you open bracket. 5x squared divided by 5. 5 is going to cancel, is going to remain only x squared. Then minus 5 divided by 5 is going to give us 1. So after this, you can also went further to do. If you have x squared minus 1, can also be written as 5 into x squared minus 1 square, because 1 square is still the same as 1. But in this case now, we notice that inside this bracket we are having difference of 2 square, x squared minus 1 square, and this can also be written as 5 into the bracket of x minus 1 then multiply by x plus 1, because if you could recall, difference of 2 square, if you have a square minus b square, this is the same as a square minus 1 square. This can also be written as a minus b then multiply by a plus b. So we use this rule to here. So this is the factorization of this expression. So let's see number 2. The number 2 say 6mx then minus 4my then minus 3bx then plus 2by. So in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to use factorization by grouping. First of all, we are going to group this expression into two terms. So we group the first two terms. We are having 6mx minus 4my. So we group it. Then minus, we group the second term, which is a minus 3bx then plus 2by. So the next thing we are going to do is to look at these two brackets. Then we are going to factor out from each of the brackets. So the first bracket, we are having 6mx and this is minus 4my. So we notice that this constant 6 and 4, they are even number. 2 can go into 6 3 times, then 2 can also go into 4 2 times. Therefore, among these two constants, 2 is the common factor. So we factor 2 out, then we open bracket 6m, and also if you look at m is here, so we also have m here, so m is also the factor. So we have 2m, we have x here and y here, so they are not common. Then we can open bracket. So 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. Then m will cancel this m. Then x, it will remain x, so it will remain 3x. So therefore 6mx divided by 2m, we are going to have 3x. Then minus 4 divided by 2 is going to give us 2. Then m divided by m, it will cancel. Then y, there's no y here, so we attach y to 2. So therefore 4my divided by 2m is going to give us 2m. Now the next thing is to factor out the common term from the second bracket. So we put we have negative 3bx plus 2by. We notice that 3 and 2, there's nothing common, but b is here and b is also here. Therefore, negative b is common here. So then we open another bracket. So negative 3, then we are having bx. This b minus b divided by minus 3bx. Minus b is going to cancel. We have left with only 3x. So because of this minus, this is going to affect this positive, and this negative and positive is going to be negative. So therefore this place is going to be negative, because now negative is outside already. So 2by and b is outside, so we are going to left with only 2y if b cancel b. So the next thing we are going to do, if you check inside these two brackets, we notice that the brackets are having the same term. So if you are in this situation, what you are going to do is to pick the one outside the bracket, you bracket it, then you pick one of bracket because they are the same. So outside bracket we are having 2m then minus b, so we bracket it, then open another bracket, then we pick one of the brackets since they are the same. So we have 3x minus 2y. So this is the solution to this expression. This is how to factorize completely in this expression. Thanks for watching, and please follow for more, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel